Hello everyone. We will cover new topic which is modules in Python. In Python, a module is simply a file containing Python code. This code can consist of variables, functions and classes. Modules are used to organize code into logical units, making it easier to manage and reuse. A module in Python is like a toolbox that contains a set of tools which are functions, variables and classes that you can use in your programs. Just as you might use different tools from a toolbox to build or fix something, you can import modules in Python to access their functions and features to accomplish various tasks in your code. Modules help keep your code organized, make it easier to reuse the code. When you want to use the code from a module in your Python program, you import it using the import statement. For example, import maths. Here, a math is a built-in module in Python that provides mathematical functions and constants. Once imported, you can access its functions and variables. Suppose you have two Python files, math_operation.py file. This file contains functions for performing basic math operations. If you see this .py is the syntax of the Python file. The next one is the main.py file. This file imports functions from math_operations.py and use them. Write your program and save it with the file name math_operations.py. It has functions for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And later on that is if and else statement at the end. Now we need to run this file. Open the Python shell, typing Python in the PowerShell, or we can use the Raspberry Pi. Firstly, you need to be in the same folder where this math_operations file is present. So you need to type cd/, then you can be prompted to C drive. Now type cd kids python folder. So here I have this file saved here in this folder. Now type python and the file name which is math_operation.py. Now you need to run the another file which is main.py. So in this file it has a math operations module imported and it has a print statements for addition two numbers, subtraction of two numbers, multiply two numbers and division of two number. Now type python and the name of this file which is a main.py. Now you will get the output of the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of two numbers which is there in the program. In this example, math_operation file, it defines four functions for basic math operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Main.py imports math_operations file using the import statement. Main.py then uses the functions defined in math_operations.py: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. When you run main.py, it will execute and produce this output. This shows how you can create and use modules in Python to organize and reuse your code effectively. We will now see another example of module which is Turtle Graphics. The Turtle module allows to create colorful graphics and drawings using simple commands. It is a great way to introduce programming concepts like loops and functions in a visual manner. I will show you another example of Turtle module like creating triangle, which we have already seen in previous examples in the Turtle videos. The command will be like this: import turtle, then set the variable t is equal to turtle dot turtle bracket and then for underscore in range 3 in bracket colon t dot forward 100. The second line is t dot left in bracket 120 turtle dot done then bracket. Now we will see another module which is Pygame. Pygame is a set of Python modules designed for writing video games. It provides tools for creating interactive multimedia applications, making it a fun way for kids to learn programming while building their own games. I have shown you few modules, but there are many modules are available in Python which we can use. I hope you understood how to use the modules in Python.